Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut for your program on your desktop. You get it? So you downloaded an app, but then the app is not appearing on your desktop here. I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut for it to appear here. So now let's get going with the tutorial. It's very simple and easy. All you need to do is you just come here, tap on the start here, good, and then let's scroll down for any app. I think we should create a shortcut for this one, which is Google Chrome. So now we right click on here and then we move to more here, and then we move to open file location, something like this. And now here you see we have Chrome selected, and now let's right click once again, and now let's create a shortcut, something like this. Good. And now let's tap on yes. Now let's minimize it and let's come here. You can see I already had a Chrome shortcut here, but then the new one I created also is appearing here. So that's it on how you can create a shortcut for your program you downloaded on your PC onto your desktop, something like that. So if you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.